Immediately after being elected into new positions under the flag of the nation and in front of all citizens, the chairman of the National Assembly, the state president, and the Prime Minister all took their oaths of loyalty to Vietnam, its people, and the Constitution. They also vowed to fulfill the task assigned by the party, state, and people.
I vow to do my best, along with the National Assembly's Standing Committee and its related authorities and staff. We will inherit and promote the achievements of the National Assembly over the years. We will continue to innovate to improve the quality and efficiency of the National Assembly's activities, all to serve the interests of the state and people's happiness.
We share the same heart, the same home, the same history, and the same mission to make Vietnam a mighty nation by 2045 and stand side by side with powerful nations of the 5 continents, just like Uncle Ho and the 13-Party Congress have hoped. This is a goal that both the current and future generations will have to work hard to achieve.
I vow to renew the growth model and restructure the economy, promote the distribution of power, and at the same time, clearly define the responsibilities of the collective as well as individuals. I will reform the national administration body based on the people's rights, depending on the people to supervise the control of power, focusing on attracting high-level human resources and talents. At the same time, build mechanisms to encourage people who dare to think, dare to do, and dare to take responsibility for common interests.
National Assembly deputies and voters nationwide consider the oaths of the new leaders as a pledge to the National Assembly and the people for their responsibility in dealing with national problems. However, it is not only words, but the leaders' actions that will move the people.
We believe that government members will continue to work in a unified manner so that our country can become a stronger nation.
I can see that the National Assembly's apparatus all consisted of people who are involved deeply in the activities of the National Assembly. With their responsibilities, I hope that the leaders will successfully fulfill the duties of the National Assembly.
However, with power comes responsibility, and this sentiment is felt by each and every leader. Some leaders even talked about the direction their leadership would take after being appointed.
Being elected Minister of Finance is a great honor, but responsibility is large. We believe that the first step is to overcome all difficulties and promote economic development. Next is to enhance the economy's resilience and competitiveness to help businesses and people's lives. At the same time, focusing on improving, nurturing, and increasing revenue sources while tightening financial discipline.
As a leader, my task is to put the 13th Congress foreign affairs policies into practice. We need to deepen the relationships with our partners, especially neighboring countries and traditional friends. Only then will a peaceful cooperation atmosphere be maintained, thus ensuring the national development in the future.
The 11th session of the 14th National Assembly has successfully elected high-ranking leaders. The new generation of leaders will have to face great challenges in diplomacy, security, the environment, and negative social conditions, as well as deterioration in political and ethical ideology. However, with solidarity and determination from people of all levels, the country's development, sustainability, as well as people's happiness will be guaranteed.